how's it going? My name is Ty. I will be showing you 7 different cuts that you can be doing in your videos, and the first cut that we'll be doing is the standard cut. It's end of one shot and beginning of another. It's very simple. It's the most commonly used one throughout videos, and here it is. That was the standard cut, and the next cut is called the J cut. So what the J cut is when the audio comes in before the video. It is very simple. It's more common than you think, and it's basically seen everywhere. So yeah, this is the J cut. So for the J cut, you're going to want to have the video cut back a little bit while the audio stays the same length. So when you overlap videos, you're going to want to have it so the audio comes in before the video, and while the person is talking, the last shot is still showing, and then it eventually cuts to the person currently talking. So much like the J cut, there's the L cut. The L cut is basically the J cut, but it's flipped. It's essential for using in conversational scenes where the camera will cut to one person while the other person is still talking, and then the next person will start talking. And this should and would be used during like documentaries, when you're having interviews with someone. And yeah, here it is. So the L cut is actually super essential for conversations, conversation clips, and this is how you use it. And we're going to be going to the next cut now. Alright, so the next cut, it's called the cross cut. The cross cut basically shows 2 different perspectives of, let's say, a chase scene where it's mainly used, and it shows the perspective of the chaser and what they see, how they see everything, and it shows the perspective of the one being chased and how they see everything. I personally don't have any clips of any chase scenes, so I would say just look up any car chase scene or any movie chase scene, and that'll show you what a crosscut is. Alright, so the next shot is called the cutaway. It's very similar to the cross-cutting, but it shows where I am in the world. You're going to need to get a lot of B-roll for this, and the more you cut shots, the more engaged your audience will be, and the more likely they are to better understand what's going on in the scene. So, for example, of the cutaway shot, I'm going to be getting a lot of B-roll of my room because that's where I am recording this video right now. And throughout this me talking, it should be cutting to different shots of me or of my room throughout the video. The next cut is called the jump cut. The jump cut is when you take one shot and you cut it up throughout any part of the shot to show the speeding up of time. And this is to avoid all like the long, boring parts of a shot, or just to show the more important parts of the shot. The next shot I'm going to show you, that is the jump cut, is a shot that I used in my last video, and that was the Broke East Car Convention back in the summer, and it's just a short example of the jump cut that I used. So the last tip that I have for you is to not be afraid to try new things, and to be able to learn more things, you have to be able to try new things. That's the last tip I have for you. Thank you for watching.